Right now, I'm going through the exact same thing that you're going through right now. A state of unfulfillment, being unhappy. I felt that. And now more than ever. But here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove yourself from that. How you can get out of that. So let's begin. Usually when you feel unfulfilled, when you're unhappy and you're not feeling right, that usually means it's time for a change. It's time for something new. Whether that be new habits, new life choices, new whatever. Trying new things, doing new things, new lifestyle choices, whatever it is. Could be them all. But try to imagine. Please try to imagine the best version of you, the most authentic version of you, and concentrate on it. Sit down and have that thought in your head, and keep seeing the things you'd be doing, where you'd be going in your life, what you would be doing, and just roll with it. Just keep thinking about it. And then make a goal right now. Right after you've thought about all that, make a goal right now to say, I will become that person. I will become that person, that most authentic version of me. Because that is who I am meant to be. And in doing so, you'll feel a little uplifted. You'll have a spark of great emotion. You'll feel good. May not last long, but it will still be there. And it will start telling you that you're going the right way. Now, next thing I got is where you go. When you follow that most authentic version of you, that best version, that is where your fulfillment resides. Waiting patiently. Waiting for you. But now the question I have before you, the question I got is, are you willing to take it? It's not easy, but it's worth a try. Will you take it? Choice is yours. That's all I got for this video. I hope you feel better. Have a great day. My name's Speaker. Peace, love, and namaste.